Your Chrome browser continuously saves browsing data including history, cookies, and cache. Whether you're looking to improve performance or protect your privacy, this guide will show you how to clear your browsing data quickly and effectively. Before we begin, it's important to understand that deleted data cannot be recovered. Your browsing history, saved passwords, and other information will be permanently removed. So, ensure you're comfortable with this decision before proceeding, as the action is irreversible. To start, open Google Chrome and locate the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner of your browser window. Click this icon to reveal the drop-down menu. Scroll down through the available options until you find Settings, then select it. Once you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. So, locate and select the Privacy and Security section from the menu. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Delete Browsing Data near the top. This is where Chrome stores all your accumulated browsing information, including your history, cookies, cached images, and files. Click on Delete Browsing Data to open the deletion interface. You'll notice a time range selector at the top of this window. You can choose from several preset options: the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Below the time range selector, you'll see checkboxes for different data types. Browsing history tracks the websites you visited. Cookies and other site data include login information and site preferences. Cached images and files are temporary copies of web content stored to speed up page loading. Download history records your file downloads without removing the actual files from your computer. Review these options carefully and check the boxes next to the items you wish to remove. After making your selections, click on Delete from this device button at the bottom of the window. Chrome will process your request and remove the specified information. The deletion process is now complete. Your selected browsing data has been permanently removed from Chrome. You can repeat this procedure whenever necessary, adjusting the time range and data types according to your specific requirements.